determine the correct size, measure the thigh circumference 15 centimeters or 6 inches above mid-patella. The brace is available in 3 lengths, in both cool or full foam. Unfasten all straps. Remove the foam pads from the 2 struts. Wrap the foam calf and thigh pads tightly around the leg and fasten at the front. Pads can be trimmed to length if needed. Align the hinge center to the knee center. If necessary, the 24-inch and 28-inch braces can be shortened up to 16 inches. The lower strut should extend no lower than the calf or Achilles tendon junction. The upper strut should extend no higher than 2 inches or 5 centimeters from the groin level. To shorten the strut, place the brace on a tabletop and align the seam with the edge of the table as shown. Apply downward pressure to break off at the seam. Repeat this step on the other side. Place the double D-ring from the kit onto the shortened end of the strut. Attach the hook and loop fastener onto the strut over the rivet hole. Put the plastic rivet through the hole and push to lock into place. Repeat these steps on the other side. Loop the strap back through the double D-rings. Align the hinge center to the knee center. The brace struts may be bent to achieve a better fit. Place the brace on a tabletop with one strut protruding off the edge as shown. Apply downward pressure to bend the strut. Attach the struts to the foam pads on each side of the leg. Align the hinge center to the knee center. Pull and fasten the strap below the knee first. This is followed by the strap above the knee. Complete the remaining straps in alternating order until all straps are fastened. Readjust all straps for a snug fit. Do not over-tighten. Trim straps if necessary. To limit range of motion, pull the black or white button out and slide it to the desired position to limit the amount of extension or flexion. To prevent range of motion, lock the brace by sliding the drop lock toward the center. Place ROM stop locks over the stops to secure the range of motion adjustment.